So we have an EMOM today. It's gonna be 5 exercises, 6 rounds. Nothing too crazy for a Monday morning. The first one is gonna be a reverse lunge with a knee drive. So you'll just do one side at a time. So what that's gonna look like, you'll reverse lunge back, same leg, it's gonna knee drive up. So reverse lunge back, knee drive up. All right, you'll do 15 one side, and then the next round you'll do the other side. All right, so 15 to 20 depending on how fast you go, and up. And then exercise 2 is going to be timed, so it'll be 30 seconds, and that's going to be that plank jack. Upright plank position, arms straight ahead, and legs are going out and in. All right, so I'll show it. Over here, and legs are out and in. If you need to, you can walk them as well. So one leg is out, other leg is out, in. All right. 3 is going to be on the ground. This is when you'll need the weights. You have dumbbell chest press with a glute bridge, which we've done before. So, grabbing our weights here, hips off the ground, stay off the ground the whole time, and then chest press up. All right. You have about 15 to 20 of those, depending on how quickly you move, things like that, however you're feeling. Exercise 4 is going to be a wall sit, which you guys know, and then 5 is going to be a crab crunch. So we've done this before. Either this comes really easy or it's very difficult for people here. Just on our hands and our feet, so our butt's off the ground, and then opposite hand, opposite foot is meeting in the middle. So it's here. All right, can't figure this out, not a big deal. Just go to bicycles on the ground. All right, so if you can do crab crunch, do crab crunch, 20 total. If you can't, doesn't feel right, just do bicycle crunches. All right, so I'll let you grab the weight if you need to, and then we're gonna warm up. Just stretch your body however you need to. You know how you're feeling on this Monday morning. Good, and as always, if we're doing something, it doesn't feel right, don't keep doing it. By now, you guys have an idea of other things you guys can do. And if all else fails, go to like a high knee or something. Good, so we'll get started here in about 90 seconds. Good. We're getting started here in 1 minute with reverse lunges to a knee drive. About 15 to 20 each side, depending on how your body's feeling, how fast you work. here in 20 seconds, reverse lunge with that knee drive, just one leg at a time. Take your time, really concentrate on your balance. All right, so be surprised by how thrown off you may be with your balance at first. All right, 15 to 20, one side. We're going here in 5, 3, 2, 1, go. Good, halfway. Good, we have 15 seconds left, and then we're on the ground for plank jacks. Good, plank jacks here in 7. This will be timed. Good, going here in 3, 2, 1, plank jacks. Halfway. 5, and 3, 2, 1. Good. Stay on the ground for the dumbbell chest press with glute bridge. Good. Dumbbell chest press with glute bridge, 15 to 20. Going here in 10. And 5, 3, 2, 1, go. Good, the hips are off the ground, and dumbbells going up to the sky. Twenty seconds left. Good, then we're standing up for a wall sit. Good, finding a spot for a wall sit. We're going here in 5. And 3, 2, 1, wall sit. Good, 10 seconds left. And then we're on the ground for you to crab crunches if you can, or if you need to modify, bicycle crunches. And 3, 2, 1, good, rest. On the ground, 20 total here. And 3, 2, 1, go. Good, 12 seconds, and we have reverse lunges, the other leg. Reverse lunges here in 3, 2, 1, go. 15 to 20. Thirty seconds left. Good, 20 seconds, and we're on the ground for plank jacks. Good, plank jacks here in 10. And 5, 3, 2, 1, go. 30 seconds here. Good, have 5 seconds left. And 3, 2, 1, good. Stay on the ground, dumbbell chest presses next. Good, if you need to, get a good stretch in your quads. Good, going here in 10 seconds. 15 to 20. And 3, 2, 1, go. Good, wall sits next. Good, going here in 15 seconds. And 7, 3, 2, 1, wall sit. Good, halfway. Ten seconds. And 5, 3, 2, 1. Good, up. Shake those legs out, stretch if you need to. And we're back to reverse lunges. Good. Going here in 7 seconds. First side. 3, 2, 1, go. 15 to 20. Halfway. Good, 20 seconds left, and we're on the ground for plank jacks. Good, and if you need to modify something, go ahead and modify it. Good, plank jacks here in 7. And 5, 3, 2, 1, plank jacks. Good, 10 seconds. And 5, 3, 2, 1. Good. On the ground, chest press. Good, 15 to 20. We're going here in 10. Oh, 3, 2, 1, go. And then we're gonna stay on the ground. I realized what you were trying to tell me, Vicki. I skipped crab crunches or bicycles. So we're gonna add that now. Good, so 10 seconds left. Whenever you're done with your dumbbell chest press, you have 20 total of the crab crunches or bicycle crunches. I apologize. You can tell these are my least favorite. Good. So when you're done, we'll stand up and we'll do our wall sit. Good, so wall sit here in 7. 3, 2, 1, wall sit. Good, halfway. Fifteen seconds. And 6, 3, 2, 1. Good. So we're gonna go back on the ground and do the 3rd round of crab crunch or bicycles, and then we're caught up. All right. Going here in 10. I apologize for this. 5, and 3, 2, 1. 20 total here. Good, you still have 30 seconds. Good, then we're standing up for reverse lunges. Good, 15 seconds here. And we're starting round 4. So we're halfway. And 3, 2, 1, go. 15 to 20. Reverse lunge with that knee drive. Thirty seconds. Woo. 20 seconds left, and we're on the ground for plank jacks. Good, plank jacks here in 10. And 3, 2, 1, plank jacks. Twelve seconds. 5, and 3, 2, 1, good. And get a good stretch in those quads a little bit. Lower back. Then chest press with glute bridge. Good, going here in 10. And 5, 3, 2, 1, go. Good, 20 seconds still. And then a wall sit. Good, wall sit here in 10 seconds. And 5, 3, 2, 1, wall sit. Good, halfway. Ten seconds. And 5, 3, 2, 1. Good. Back in the ground for those crab crunch. 20 total here. Going here in 5, 3, 2, 1, go. Thirty seconds left. Good, 15 seconds. Standing up for reverse lunges, last 2 rounds here. Good, reverse lunge here in 5, 3, 2, 1, go. Good, 20 seconds left. Good, and 5, plank jacks. 3, 2, 1, go. Good, 10 seconds. And rest. Good, stay on the ground. Good chest press. Good, going here in 10 seconds. And 3, 2, 1, go. 15 to 20. Good, 15 seconds, then a wall sit. Good, wall sit here in 5, 3, 2, 1, wall sit. Halfway. Ten seconds. And 5, 3, 2, 1. Good. Crab crunch. Good. 20 total. 3, 2, 1. Go. Good. 25 seconds still. Good. Then our last round. Good. Last round of reverse lunges going here in 5, 3, 2, 1, go. Thirty seconds. Good, then plank jacks. Going here in 10 seconds. Good, and 3, 2, 1, go. Five seconds. And rest. Good. Chest press is next. Ten seconds. And 5, 3, 2, 1, go. Good, 15 seconds left. Now we have a wall sit. Good, a wall sit here in 5, and 3, 2, 1, wall sit. Good, so as soon as we're done with our wall sit, if you want to start with your crab crunches right away, go ahead. We have 20 total. And then we'll rest for 30 seconds. And then we'll knock out our 30 seconds of mountain climbers. All right, and then we'll do abs. Good, so we've got 10 seconds left. And 3, 2, 1. Good. So if you want to get started right away in your crab crunches, you can. 20 total, and then we'll rest for a little bit. Good, so we'll rest for 30 seconds, and then we'll get our 30 seconds of mountain climbers out of the way for our main challenge. As fast or as slow as you need to. Good, going here in 10 seconds. And 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 30 seconds here. Good, 12 seconds. And 5, 3, 2, 1, good, rest. Take a minute, catch your breath, and we're on the ground for abs. Good, so we'll get started here in about 20 seconds. We have 30 total heel drops, 30 total toe touches, 3 rounds, then we'll rest, and then we'll do a 1 plank together at the end, all right? So 30 total heel drops, 30 total toe touches at your own pace. Now that's when your legs are straight, opposite hand, opposite foot, 3 rounds of that, and then you're done. All right, so whenever you're ready, you can get started with your heel drops. That's here, leg that's at 90-degree angle, 1 leg at a time, touching the ground, really concentrating on belly button to spine. Good, then 30 total toe touches. Legs as straight up if you can, opposite hand, opposite foot. Good. And then repeating 2 more times. Good. If you need to, stretch out your legs in between. Relax those quads. Good. Then when you're done with the toe touches, 1 last round here. Almost done. When you're done, maybe stretch your legs out a little bit. And we'll do a minute plank here shortly. I'm gonna grab my phone. Good, so we have one 1 minute plank and then we're completely done. All right. We will go here in 10 seconds. And 3, 2, 1, up. Good, breathe. Good, 45 seconds. Good, don't hold your breath, continue to breathe, tight core. Good, 30 seconds left. If you need to drop to your knees, you can drop to your knees. Good, almost there, we have 20 left. Good, keep pushing, last 15. Good, and 10. 5. Good, and done. Good, nice job. Quick little things that may help us. So if you haven't sent me your April schedule yet, please do so today. I sent everybody an email with the May schedule. If you didn't receive it, please let me know. I tried to make the May schedule a little bit more fun, a little bit more goal-oriented. So each day, there's a couple goals for you guys to check off on the schedule. So it's if you worked out, did you get your water in? If you went for a walk, how many miles? So our May challenge as well is going to be a marathon May. So what that means is for the whole month of May, can you walk 26.2 miles? You guys all were on pace with doing that within like 10 days anyways. So you guys will be no problem with that. So that's on here as well. So if you walk, you can track how many miles you walk that day. And then my goal for you guys, try to do 30 minutes of no screen time. So maybe that's the time you go for your walk a day, read a book, play with your kids, just a little something a little different. I feel like right now we're all glued to our computers, our phones, ever so often, more now than we were before. If you struggle with water, a couple tricks for you that work for me is, so this is my cup, carry it around with me all day. I know that this is 32 ounces. So I know for me to get a gallon, I have to drink 4 of these. So saying I have to drink 4 of these sounds so much better than I have to drink a gallon of water. So find your cup, see what it is. If it's 20 ounces, 24 ounces, see about how many of those you need to drink a day to reach a gallon. Try to aim for about half of those to be done after lunch. So right when you're done eating lunch, try to have half of your water done. 1, that will be a lot easier, then you're not peeing all night. 2, and then you don't feel like you have to chug water later on. Couple of things too, if you guys drink coffee, try to drink at least 8 ounces of water first. 1, it'll help with the acidity in your stomach, but 2, it may curb like some of those cravings for like if you're hungry yet. So by having water first, you may decide how hungry you actually are or not. You just may be bored, so you may just drink 8 ounces of water in 15 minutes. If you're hungry, okay, fine, then eat. If you're not, you would be surprised how many times we're actually just thirsty or just want something to do. And then another thing is I highly recommend if someone can do it for you, take pictures of yourself. You know, you guys are changing, the scales may not move. We're eating comfort foods, working out still, but you're gonna grow, you're gonna have muscle, a lot more muscle definition because we're using our own body weights to work out. So I can see it in you guys already. We're getting a lot more toned backs, shoulders, things like that, because that's what we have available to us. We're using our own body weight to work out. So take a couple pictures. If you don't have someone to take it, stand in the front of the mirror, you know, whatever you feel comfortable with, one in the front, one in the side at least. If you have somebody that can take one from the back, just so you can see your back muscles and the changes like that, I highly suggest doing so because you will have a lot more changes that way than you will on a scale. All right? But nice job, you guys. I will see you tomorrow.